In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards and interfaces in Airtable using your Sales CRM, Opportunities Base. First, open your Sales CRM, Opportunities Base in Airtable. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you see your tables across the top or left side. This is the base that will power the interfaces we're about to create. Once the base is open, look for the Interfaces option in the top navigation. Go ahead and click on Interfaces. This is where you can design custom views that sit on top of your data, perfect for reporting and high-level overviews. On the Interfaces page, choose the option to build it yourself. This gives you the most control over what you're creating. Then, click on the button to build an interface. Airtable will walk you through a short setup flow. As you move through the setup screens, you'll see a few highlighted elements that Airtable wants you to review or confirm. Click through those highlighted areas as they appear, then click Next to continue. When you're asked to choose a layout, select the option for a high-level view of your data using summaries and charts. This is ideal for building a dashboard-style interface. Click Next again, and you'll be prompted to choose which table the interface is based on. Select the Opportunities table, then confirm Opportunities once more if it's shown in a drop-down or list. When everything looks good, click Finish. Airtable will create your first interface using that configuration. Back on the Interfaces overview, you may see an option for a new interface pop up. For now, click Cancel, so we can adjust the one we just created. Click into the name field for your interface where it says Name Your Interface, and give it a clear, descriptive name, like Opportunities Dashboard. Confirm any highlighted options, then choose the dashboard layout if prompted. Click Next, choose Opportunities as the primary table, and add Interactions as an additional table if that's available. When you're done with this flow, click Finish. Now you'll see your interfaces listed. Click on the Dashboard interface to open it, and then click on Dashboard 2 if you have a second one created. To tidy things up, click the small menu or highlighted area next to Dashboard 2, choose Rename, type in a more meaningful name, and confirm. Do the same for the original dashboard. Open it, use the menu, click Rename, and enter a clear title. Finally, at the top of the interface editor, click on Previewing As to check how the interface will look for different users or roles. This helps ensure your new dashboards are clear, focused, and ready to share with your team.